Flight Simulator, you can see the Beechcraft 1900D on final approach to Asturias Airport, located on the northern coast of Spain. The aircraft is configured for landing with landing gear down and flaps extended, maintaining a stable approach profile in accordance with regional turboprop operating procedures. Asturias Airport is known for its coastal winds and variable weather, which make approaches particularly interesting for regional aircraft like the Beechcraft 1900. The combination of the Cantabrian Sea on one side and hilly terrain inland requires precise speed control and careful descent planning by the crew. This approach highlights the excellent short field and regional performance of the aircraft, a reliable twin-turboprop widely used for commuter and regional airline operations.